To make pasta, crack 1 large egg to every cup of plain flour. Work the flour into the eggs until it's fully combined. And knead for 10 minutes. Make a ball and place the dough in a floured bowl to rest for an hour, covering with a clean tea towel and leave in a warm location. In a glug of olive oil, toast half a cup of natural almonds on the fry pan. Wear gloves to harvest your stinging nettles if you're not used to them. Wash the stinging nettles under a cold tap to remove any bugs and place them in boiling water for 1 minute. This will remove the sting out of the nettles. Then they'll be safe for you to touch without gloves. Strain the nettles and leave them to cool a bit. Break the pasta dough into manageable sized chunks and run it through the pasta machine, starting on the widest setting and working your way down to the desired thickness that you want. And then run the pasta through either the spaghetti or the fettuccine opening. I'm making fettuccine today. Sprinkle it with a small handful of flour, ensuring all is coated. Spread all the dough out on a flat surface so it can dry for 30 minutes in a warm room. Then start making your sauce by adding 1 cup of grated cheese to half a cup of the toasted almonds. In your blender, add a pinch of salt, black pepper, and then break up your nettles and place them in the blender as well. It's a good idea to chop them up a little bit with scissors or a knife so they don't wrap around your blender and blow it up. Blend it up at this stage if you have a small blender so that there's more room. Then add in the juice of 2 fresh lemons, and enough olive oil to make it the consistency of your liking, at least 1/3 of a cup, but usually more. Then give that another blend up. When the pasta is dried for 30 minutes, it may take longer if it's humid where you live. Then the pasta is ready to cook. Place the pasta into a pot of boiling salted water and cook it for 5 minutes. Making sure the pasta is well separated so it cooks evenly through. Add the delicious nettle mixture into the cooked pasta and mix well so it's all evenly coated. And then it's ready to serve. There are so many different ways to use stinging nettles, and they're absolutely delicious. You can use them in the cooking like I've shown you today and in some of my other recipes, and they're good medicinally as well, which I have recipes on that too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.